Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. It's easy to make money. Today, a new series, the March 2023 series is starting. It's an important day. Before we start trading today, we better look at some important data. I am presenting this chart so that you can base your decisions after studying these. I believe EMAs, MACD, and histogram of all Nifty 50 stocks that I'm giving here, along with other important indicators. At close of yesterday, that's the close of February monthly series, is very, very important. So have a look at it, and without much ado, let me present this thing. Have a look at it, make a note. If you need any detail or if there is any doubt, please get back to me. I would be happy to help you. Look at these. These are EMAs, MACD, and histogram of all Nifty 50 stocks, starting from Adani to Coal India. The first page, there are 4 pages that I keep making of the 50 stocks. So the first page is Adani Enterprises to Coal India. Second page is TV Slab to IndusInd Bank. Third page is Infosys to Reliance. And fourth page is SBI Life to Wipro. The same way, the important indicators of the same 50 companies, Adani Enterprises to Coal India, of course, I'm presenting here, Supertrend, ADX, Vortex 14, MACD, histogram, PSR, Kelton channel, Bollinger Band, RSI, Ultimate Oscillator, and 5-day moving average. And of course, I keep giving points, and these points, whenever they turn green, they are surely in buy mode, and whenever they turn red, they are a little iffy. So these are the indicators for Adani Enterprises to Coal India. The first page, the second page is Coal India to IndusInd Bank. Third page is Infosys to Reliance, and fourth page is SBI Life to Wipro. Make a note of all these things. See which shares you believe, of course, after studying the charts, whichever attracts you, whichever you think has potential to make profit for you, go ahead and trade in those. But make a note of all these and study them well, analyze them well, and then take the trades. Thank you very much. As usual, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel, our videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.